Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and wiring diagram of the fuel rail pressure control valve on Mercedes C220 CDI W203 model. First I'll show you the location of the fuel rail pressure control valve on the service manual. The fuel rail pressure control valve is located on the fuel rail, just on the rear, right there. And next I'll show you wiring diagram for it. That's what the fuel rail pressure control valve looks like in the picture. And that's the wiring diagram for it. This in blue is the fuel rail pressure control valve. We can see it has two wires. One of them is black and white and the other one is red and yellow, and both of them go to the engine control module. Next I'll show you the location of the fuel rail pressure control valve on the car. Like we said, the fuel rail pressure control valve is located on the rear of the fuel rail. Now I'll show you exactly where it is. It's located as the fuel rail right there, and as the fuel rail pressure control valve right there. In order to remove it, you need to remove this electrical connector and loosen this bolt. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.